We are now inside the home at 309 Pine Tree. Again, the back side of the garage doors. Both doors are obviously broke. The water then proceeded into the home. As we pan around, the studded wall in the garage collapsed from the force of the water, as well as the door. Let me just pan down here. The water rushed into the home, obviously causing displacement of appliances, damage to the back side of the wall, the two appliances here, and then finally against the mechanical closet. As you can see, the water was a good 3 feet up against the studs. Standing water remains at approximately 8:30 a.m. Again, panning around. Items actually floated underneath the garage door and out onto the driveway. Again, this is September 2nd, 2021. I'm at 309 Pine Tree. And again, the studded wall from the garage into the living space, completely blown out from the force of the water.